Page wise, sir. Page 1 to 14.
Item 5, my lord.
5.
Permitted to withdraw with liberty to file application.
Sir, memo, sir.
File.
Next matter, sir.
My lord.
Yes, next.
Item 2. Kindly permitted to withdraw. Item 2.
When you are determined to increase my score of disposal.
Recording in progress.
Very good. No, you need to, I mean, 2-3 hour determination, so it is better. Withdrawal with liberty.
Yes, madam.
So kindly find the memory number to like
Item 4.
Just one second. Because I have to take the, I'm taking the withdrawal with liberty. Mr. Patra, 4.
Item 4.
Adjournment.
No, item 21.
Just, sir, page 1. Still, I'm in page 1. So, Patra, adjournment with liberty to move the assigned bench. Yes. We have gone up to 5. Then 6 to 14.
Item 7 and 9, Madam.
7 and 9.
7 and 9. Adjourn, Madam. Can you take a
saw.
Madam.
But, Surendra saw. Adjournment. I'll dictate the orders.
7 and 9, Madam.
Adjournment with liberty.
Madam.
Yes, next.
Item 11.
11.
11, 2 weeks up.
I cannot say you move.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Move the assigned bench so
Yes.
that I can't fix their assignment. Yes. Mr. Mishra, Jitendra Mishra?
Item 4.
Yes, sir.
Next week.
Sir, next week hobani apna move karo because their assignment. So saw item 13.
Item 13 also, Madam.
Adjourn, sir.
Madam.
Item 6.
6, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir. What do you want, sir?
I have approached the honorable court for not getting any justice from the local authorities that is starting from
So you are arguing the matter on merits.
Sir?
Apna merit re argue korchunti. Case ta. Apna case doka hai ni, sir.
Item 25 also.
Just. So 1 to 14, any other matters? 1, 4, yes. Mr. Patnaik, you are Mr. Oh, yes. Adjourned with liberty.
Yes.
I cannot fix the other benches matters, so please. Yes, page 2, item 15 to 30.
Item 25.
25, sir. On behalf of Barik.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sir, I'm so sorry. I have to change my name.
Sir.
Item 21.
Just 1 second. I'm only looking at Mr. Niyamati, so Mr. Barik has to be looked at.
Next item is mine, madam. So item 28.
No, Mr. Barik, item
25, sir. 25.
adjourned with liberty to move.
Next week.
Sir,
Next week,
item,
on bench correct.
no, sir,
28, sir.
Adjourned with the liberty.
Yes.
My lord, item 24. Adjourned after.
Just. I'm taking down. Adjourned with liberty to move the assignment.
no, sir, item 21 and 29.
Madam, कौन पूछोगे कितने?
Item 4.
2, 4. Adjourned with liberty.
Again, after 1.
ठीक. अपन का नाम?
AK Pandey.
अपन एक पंडित. Yeah, have you changed your name or he has changed his name? Again?
Onima Barik.
Oh yes, your power is there. Okay. Adjourned with liberty.
Hello, sir. Item 21 and 29.
21, 29.
Adjournment for 2 weeks.
Your name, sir?
M. Hassan.
So Hassan. 29 also.
Yes. 21, 29.
You are MD or MS?
MS.
Okay. MS is better. Adjournment with liberty.
Item 15. ma'am. 50.
15, Mr. Naik.
Paper adjourned.
Adjournment with liberty. Yes. Apna
Item 8 you got it.
8.
Yes. On behalf of SK Samant.
ठीक है. 8 you have already covered. Just give us. So let us know.
Item 37.
37. Yes. 27.
37.
ये आपका
Item 33.
आपका
There is 3
those
items.
31 to 40, Mr. 37, Mr. Das.
I want next week because I have to collect two judgment of this Hon'Ble Court and
No, kindly move the bench because it is embarrassing for me to fix other matters. So liberty to move. You have to file another memo just.
oh,
Adjourned with liberty.
my
Yes.
Six.
So is it that once it is listed, it is not getting listed again before other bench?
it's quite difficult.
That is everyone is saying. I'm agree,
Of an advocate.
how clear I can be that than saying that the petitioner shall have liberty to move the assigned bench for listing.
My lord has the experience.
No, I know,
But
I know.
now also
Same
sitting in a
problem.
regular bench.
No, because
They are also
some matters,
enough to get a matter listed. These are
even revenue matters which request to be listed. Like they say that mutation appeal, mutation case.
ସବୁ case
They have to be disclosed.
ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଯୋଉ type ର case ଅଛି
No, example only, not
Okay,
your
okay.
cases, but I find that even revenue matters are not getting listed.
ବହୁତ କଷ୍ଟ
They are ready with the instruction.
listing ଟା ଭାରି କଷ୍ଟ
Yes, madam.
Item 33.
33. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ?
SR Panda.
Yes, you have power. Adjourned with liberty.
Yes.
Mr. Ponda,
My lord, I'm not feeling well in my
take care of your health, sir. Nothing is better than, I mean, is it God's grace to have
adjournment or
co-item, ये 36.
36.
Adjournment with liberty.
My lord. Not feeling well.
Please. ଆପଣଙ୍କର କିଛି ମ୍ୟାଟର ଅଛି? ନା ଠିକ ଅଛି. Call the list you are mentioning. Sir, your matter? Item 8 କହିଲେ?
8 on behalf of SK Samal, your lords. I'm filing an withdrawal.
With liberty to file.
No.
Okay.
Item became infectious as the orders, the state has already modified the beyond.
Your name, sir?
AK Tripathi.
Mr. Samal has signed it?
Yeah. Yes.
Tripathi. ତ ସେଇଟା ସିରିୟଲି ଦେବେ, ରଖିବେ ଆପଣ। ଯୋଉ ନମ୍ବର ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ ସିରିୟଲି ରଖନ୍ତୁ, ସେ ଅନୁସାରେ ଦେବେ। Mr. Sahoo, Biswajit Sahoo. Yes, please.
In this case, the present petition file a representation on Annexure 1 regarding illegal construction over the Gochar lands of lordship. That is still pending.
Sir, representation Gochar land, PIL. I don't have jurisdiction. If you want adjudication by the OGLS Act,
Lordship.
then they have to take instruction. You have a choice. If you want to PIL, first go.
Construction of a road, not road.
Construction of a concrete road and some installation of some electrical poles.
Passes to the people residing there.
And so the prayer is in the nature of PIL. So you have to move the PIL back.
But by limited prayer lordship, only direction may given to the opposite party to consider representation.
Just exactly like your limited prayer, I have a limited jurisdiction.
Lordship.
So my limited jurisdiction assignment is that I cannot take up PIL.
Lordship.
So either you move, or if you move the authority, they will take instruction. That's different.
Statement directed to.
Mr. Biswajit Sahoo for the petitioner. The petitioner alleges inaction on part of the authorities under the provisions of Odisha Government Land Settlement Act for removal of encroachment from the Gochar land, within quote, Gochar land. Corresponding to ଆପଣ ତ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ପଢି ପାରିବେ ଅମିତ पेज 11 ରେ ପଢିବେ ଖାତା ନମ୍ବର 632 ପ୍ଲଟ ନମ୍ବର 3383 ଦେଖି ଲେଖିବେ ହେଲା
I want to mention in paragraph 3 also.
yes ଆପଣ representation ଯାକ ଦେଖ ଦିଏ जो they submitted that the appropriate authority किए
Sub collector बोले
सब कलेक्टर authority नहीं
collector में direct.
कलेक्टर भी authority नहीं ଆପଣ ତ ପାର୍ଟି କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଧେ
तहसीलदार को पार्टी अच्छे पार्टी अଛନ୍ତି.
ଅଛନ୍ତି କୋଉଠି କୋଉଠି
OP number 3.
OP3 collector 4 rows sub collector.
ତହସିଲଦାର କୋଉଠି ପାର୍ଟି କଲେ
तहसीलदार 7.
acha the appropriate authority as under the OGLS Act is not taking action. Tahsildar into bracket OP number 7. The Lord AGA shall obtain instruction. But I think आपका purpose होची PIL. So आपण accept कले but I think से कौन नेबे instruction आपनकर केस चलियो कि नहीं कौन केस तो किछि initiate ହେଇନି. There is no case as such.
It's not an enforcement.
हाँ, this is not enforcement.
That is pending since.
ଆପଣ ପଢିଛନ୍ତି OGLS Act कौन provision ଅଛି conversion
ସେଟା PL ହବା କଥା.
ନା ନା OGLS Act ରେ କौन provision ଅଛି ଆକ୍ଟ ଆଣ୍ଡ ରୁଲ୍ସ ରେ ଅଛି ଡିରିଜର୍ଭେସନ ହେଇପାରିବ ଡିରିଜର୍ଭେସନ ରେ ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ ଏରିଆ ଅଛି କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ପପୁଲେସନ କେତେ ତାପରେ ଧରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ସେ x acres of land ଗୋଚର you can leave another x acre for ଗୋଚର
Available in the.
you have you seen any village you go to village
Yes, yes.
cow milk is available
ପ୍ରାୟ ଜାଗାରେ କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ସେଥିପାଇଁ
nowhere cows are there cow population is not
କାଉ
there
ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ରୋଡ ଉପରେ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡେ ଗାଈ ପଳେଇ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି।
Construction.
in your village it is if it is cow milk is available interestingly I am carrying cow milk from my village to from my place here to my village that is very interesting you get only that federation milk umped or other to tell extra
Encroachment. Passage ଟା ଦଉଛନ୍ତି government କହୁଛି।
obviously but he is happy to take up an instruction ଗାଈ ଚଳିବା ଲୋକ ଚାଲିବା ଭିତରେ ବି ତ କିଛି comparative ଇଏ ରହୁଛି from the appropriate authority regarding the allegations of made in the writ petition. How much time?
4 weeks.
The Lord AGA 6 and has SWKS 6 and has 4 weeks time to obtain instruction to appraise this court. List after 4 weeks. Stop. Para the petitioner shall have liberty to mention before the assigned bench for listing of the matter.
Item 2.
Two रे कौन है लाइए? The parents लिखिए Mr. Rajendra Kumar R.K. Pradhan for the petitioner, Mr. D. Mohanty AGA for the opposite parties 1 2 to 6 then 9 and 9 memo of date is filed in court by the learned counsel for the petitioner stating the following. But according to the matters to the writ petition stands disposed of with liberty to file writ application with better particulars. जो लिखे मेमो था फर्स्ट पर लिखिए the memo is taken on record. Scan copy भी updated. Disposal है जो पर scan copy मिली नहीं.
Item 3.
पास ओवर कर दो. देखिए और चांस. Yes, Mr. Mohanty will wait. You will wait or will adjourn it?
That's right.
Okay. Petitioner none, Mr. Devraj Mohanty, AGA for the state, opposite party. None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Pore asle dei debe. The matter is adjourned to grant further opportunity. The matter stands adjourned. With stop, the petitioner shall have liberty. Sentence is about saman lena. Shall have liberty to move the assigned bench for listing of the matter.
Item 4.
Niranjan Prasad Patra. Hello. For the petitioner, Mr. Devraj Mohanty, AGA party. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks adjournment. Stop. Accordingly, the matter is adjourned. Stop. The petitioner shall have liberty to move the assigned bench for listing of the matter.
Item 5.
Which is same as 2. Hello. दिखाई भूलभाल होगा. तापरे
Item 6.
पटनायक थी 6 अच्छा. Yes, Mr. शिवशंकर पटनायक.
Yes, sir, myself.
Yes, कौन तो सर? Mr. शिवशंकर पटनायक in person.
Sir. Sir.
Sir, where is your credential? आपण शिवशंकर पटनायक बोली. कौन देख फाइल करछंती देखौछंती किछि?
Identity proof, sir.
आज्ञा.
Oh, अच्छी.
प्रभात तो देखंतु. The petitioner appears in person. He produces his PAN card and Aadhaar card as his proof of identity. ଆପଣ ସାଟିସ୍ଫାଇଡ୍ ନୁହନ୍ତି? ଆଉ ତାହେଲେ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି କାହିଁକି ତ ଚାଲିଲେ କାହିଁକି? Yes. तेरा कौन सर्विस मैटर?
सर्विस मैटर
आपको मैटर?
नहीं इटा सर्विस मैटर नु सर
आपको मैटर एटा?
इटा होची क्रिमिनल ऑफेंसेस defecation before my house and beside my house
फिर तो आपण मोर जुरिडिक्शन नहीं.
का इठी तो
पब्लिक न्यूसेंस टा सीआरपीसी रे प्रोविजन अछि आपण जोटा कहउचंती.
हां सर
ओपन डुप्लिकेशन इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर हाउस जोटा
हां सेटा
पब्लिक न्यूसेंस रे आपण को जीवा को पड़िबो. सेटा होचंती थाना को जिवे तापर न मजिस्ट्रेट को पाकु जिवे.
थाना को जाई सर मैजिस्ट्रेट पाकु जाईची
पैसा कोउथरे गले कागज टा काई कंप्लेन केस कोठी देले जे थाना को गले आगो देखैबे तापर कॉन्फ्रेंस
number of cases also
Mr. Patnaik, the court understands your difficulty. Even the Lord and Government Council understands your difficulty. But we have a legal limitation. ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ଆଇନଗତ ପରିଧି ଭିତରେ ଆମେ କାମ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ. ଆମେ ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ ଅସୁବିଧା ଚାରିଆଡେ ହଉଛି. ଇଭେନ ମୁଁ ଜରକାବାଟେ ବି ଦେଖୁଛି ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ ଅସୁବିଧା ହଉଛି. କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ତ କରିପାରିବିନି.
ନାଇଁ
ତ ଆପଣ ଆମକୁ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଯେ ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ଆପଣ ଆରଟିଆଇ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ କଣ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କଲେ? ଆପଣ କୋଡିଏଟା ଆନେକ୍ସର କଣ କରିଛନ୍ତି? ନା ମୁଁ ଭୁଲ
Actually, in fact, prayer is regularization of service as a guest lecturer. Annexer 14 years seeking passing of Annexer 14.
ସାର୍ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି?
ଇଟା ତ ମତେ ସର ରହିଲା କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଅଫେନ୍ସେସ୍
ଆପଣ
23,517
नहीं so maybe we are holding different briefs. ଆପଣ case number କହିଲେ ଆଗ
सर
2517 to
23517 हां
of 2025.
then
और प्रेयर को पढ़िले ଟିକେ ପ୍ରେୟାର ଟା ପଢିଲେ
prayer te ଦେଖିଲ
इटा मोर क्रिमिनल ऑफेंस
prayer te
the petitioner must respect
which is verified by the court master.
the petitioner most respectfully prays that this honor
ଆପଣ ଏକୁ ସିଧା ପଳେଇ ଆସନ୍ତୁ. ଆପଣ କଣ law student?
ନା law नो सर
ଆଉ ଏଟା ତ ଆପଣ ହବନି. ये भाषा ଆପଣଙ୍କର issue a writ of certiorari or any other appropriate writ order or direction आपको किए ड्राफ्ट कले?
सर मुई का करते सर
अपन लॉ स्टूडेंट न है कि अपन तो लॉ पढ़ेगा कथा. We are having real dot of law teachers.
सर टू प्रिपेयर
ମାନେ AI ରେ ହିଁ ପଡୁଛି ଆଜିକାଲି.
upon different brief ଧରଛନ୍ତି the scanner is different.
ହଁ ପରା.
कौन मत तो
ଦେଲେ ଆପଣ brief କରନ୍ତୁ.
ସାର୍ କୁ ଦେଇଦିଅ ତୁମେ.
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ଏଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କ
अलग ছিল
ଅଲଗାଟା ଆପଣ
ସାର୍ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ there is some difficulty ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲିଂ ରେ କଣ ଏପଟ ସେପଟ ହେଇଗଲା. ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ବିଲକୁଲ ମ୍ୟାଚ୍ କରୁନି ଆ ଧିଅରେ.
सर
ଆପଣଙ୍କର କଥା ଆଉ ମାନେ ଯୋଉ ମାନେ
ଆପଣ file ଟା-
ଯାହା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା
no find out things ଯୋଉଠି ଆପଣ file
ମିଷ୍ଟର ମହାନ୍ତି what has happened you know? ମିଷ୍ଟର ମହାନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ ଫାଇଲ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ସେ କୋର୍ଟ ବ୍ରିଫ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଯୋଉ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି ସେ ଅଲଗା ହେଇଯାଇଛି. ତାଙ୍କ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଧରିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଧରିଛେ.
ଏଇଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆସିବ ରେଗୁଲାର
Okay,
ଏଇ କେସ୍ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା ଧରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା
ଏଟା ହଉଛି କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଅଫେନ୍ସେସ୍
ଆପଣ ଭୁଲ ନମ୍ବରଟା ପକେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି. ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ବୋଧେ ଏଟା ଭୁଲ ନମ୍ବରଟା ଏଥିରେ
କେତେଟା ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି କେସ୍?
सर टोटल 4टा करची
ସେ ଆଇଥିବ.
ଭୁଲ ନମ୍ବରଟା ପକେଇ ଏଇ ବ୍ରିଫଟା ଆପଣ ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା.
सर मटे टिक टाइम टिक देबे की
ହଁ
Definitely. लिखिले से verified by Mr. the court master found to be correct. The petitioner, since appearing in person, submits that he has filed a writ petition.
काई सर्विस रिलेटेड पोस्ट सर हमरो
नहीं, सेमती लिखନ୍ତୁ. ठीक है ରୁହନ୍ତୁ. ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ. The petitioner addresses the court appearing in person, addresses the court indicating the prayer made in the writ petition which does not match with the court brief. Also the brief received by the lauded AGA on behalf of the state. Stop. The petitioner has adjournment to verify and carry out the necessary corrections, take steps. এটা ହେଇପାରିବନି. ଏଟା ଡିଫେକ୍ଟିଭ ଫାଇଲିଂ ରେ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ଭେରି ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ, ଇମ୍ପସିବଲ ଅଲମୋଷ୍ଟ. କଣ ଗୁଡାକ ୱିଡ୍ର କରିକି କଣ କଣ ଆର ହେଇଯାଇଛି କୋଉଠି କଣ ହେଇଥିବ କି ଜଣା ପଡିବ ନାହିଁ. ଆପଣ କଣ କରନ୍ତି କଣ ଆପଣ? ଆପଣ କଣ କରନ୍ତି?
सर मु गेस्ट फैकल्टी थी सर
जो इंस्ट्रक्टर
नहीं लेक्चर
ଆପଣ ପାଇଁ ତ ମଲ୍ଲିକ ସାହେବ ଆପ୍ରେସ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ନୁହଁ
लेक्चर गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज सर 17 years सर
ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଆପ୍ରେସ୍ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି କଣ ସେ କିଛି ବୁଝି ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି କଣ କେସ୍ କୁଆଡେ ଫାଇଲ କୁଆଡେ କଣ ହେଲାଣି ସବୁ
ଡିସେମ୍ବର ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ବିଜି ଅର୍ଗର ହେଇଯାଉଛି
since you I remember that guest faculty
ମୁଁ
ନାଇଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି ତ ଲିଗାଲ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏମିତି ହେଲେ କଣ କି ଆପଣ ଆପଣ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି କଣ କୁଆଡେ କଣ କେସ୍ କଣ ପ୍ରେୟାର becomes difficult also things cannot be retrieved ତାକୁ ରେକ୍ଟିଫାଇ ବି କରିହେବନି ଥରେ ଭୁଲ ଫାଇଲିଂ ହେଇଗଲେ ତାର ରେକ୍ଟିଫିକେସନ ର କିଛି ମେଥଡ ନାହିଁ ୱିଥଡ୍ର କରି ଆଉ ଥରେ ଫାଇଲ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଆପଣ ସମୟ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ
मोटे गुट्टे समय दियंतु मु
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ କିଛି କହୁନି ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବୁଝିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଛି
Sir.
the petitioner has adjourned liberty to mention the stop ତାପରେ କହିଲେ petitioner shall have liberty to move the assigned bench for listing of his matter
थैंक यू सर
yes please कॉल करो
item 7,
Mr. AK Saw है ना 7 AK Saw Mr. Devraj Mahanti same as 4 है ना
item 8,
Mr. AK Tripathi on behalf of Saroj Kanto Samal SK Samal for the petitioner Mr. Devraj Mahanti AGA for the state जे लिखी लिखियो प्राइवेट भी तेरे रहउछंती opposite parties memo of date is filed before the court enclosing order dated 28/2025 passed by the district education officer. So it is submitted that after issuance of the said order dated 28/2025 ଆପଣ କପି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଧେ ମିଶ୍ର ମହାନ୍ତି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ମେମୋର
ନା ନା
ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କପି କରି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଜାଣିପାରିବେ ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବେ by the OP number 4 nothing survives for adjudication accordingly the writ petition is disposed of memo लिखना memo is taken off on record last laptop case number कॉपी दियो दे देबे yes next
item 9,
Mr. AK Saw on behalf of SK Sahoo. Mr. Devraj Mahanti. Same as 4. Mr. Natwar, item 10.
Yes, sir. Yes, my lord. I attempt I'm in virtual
Anand
mode.
Karu, sit there.
item 10,
So,
I am in virtual mode, my lord. Your lordship, in this case, the petitioner, while serving as the in-charge headmaster in Ma Pateswar High School,
Yes.
Tono, Baspan, my lord, he faced some health issues and tendered his resignation first, but it was not been approved by the director as well as the block development officer, my lord. So now, after when he was fully recovered, he want to withdraw it by annexure 8. He filed a petition under annexure, which is still pending, which has not been, so let notice me.
ଆପଣ ୱିଡ୍ରୋ ଲେଟରଟା କୋଉଥିରେ ପଠେଇଲେ ବାଇ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର
Annexure 8, right?
ହଁ କୋଉ ପଠେଇଲେ କେମିତି
By
କିଛି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି କି
ଲେଖିଛୁ
ଆନେକ୍ସରୁ ଜଣା ପଡୁନି କଣ କୋଉଠି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ नाम to for the petitioner Mr. Devraj Mahanti AGA କଣ ଲେଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି
ଲେଖିଛି
ପାରା 11 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କିଛି ଲେଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି
para 11 ରେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା page 5 last 2 lines
ଆଜ୍ଞା expert opinion ଲେଖିଛି ଏଟା ତାପରେ he decided to withdraw his resignation and continue in his previous post as he is facing much financial difficulties to manage the family and his retirement on superannuation ଏଟାକୁ
କିଛି ଲେଖିଲେନି
annexure 8 ଟାକୁ also ଦେଇଛି ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର କୁ
ଆଉ ଡେଟ୍ ମାର୍କ କରନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା annexure 8
ସୁପରଏନ୍ୟୁଏସନ ଡେଟ୍ ହେଲା 31/5/25
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣ ୱିଥଡ୍ରଲ୍ ଦେଲେ 31/7/25 ସେ ବି କିଛି ମ୍ୟାଚ୍ କରୁନି
ନା ନା ସେ ମୁଁ
କଣ ଭୁଲଭାଲ ହେଇଗଲା ଡେଟ୍ କଣ ଭୁଲ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଟାଇପ କରିବାରେ କି କଣ ହେଇଛି ଗୋଟେ ଏଇ ମାସରେ ରିଚାର୍ଜ କଲେ 7 ରେ ୱିଥଡ୍ର କରିବାରେ କଣ ଅଛି?
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ 31/3 ରେ ମୁଁ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ ଟା ଦେଇଥିଲି।
ହଁ
31/3/2022 ରେ
ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ରେଜିଗ୍ନେସନ ଦେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସୁପରିନୁଏସନ ଡେଟ୍ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି 31/5/25 ପେଜ 6 ରେ
31/3/2022 ରେ ମୁଁ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ ଦେଲି ତା 3 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ମୋର ସୁପରନେସନ ଡେଟ୍ ଟା ଥିଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା। କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଏଇ 2025 ରେ ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ମୁଁ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଥିଲି ତାକୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ୱିଥଡ୍ର
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ପେଜ 6 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ।
ପେଜ 6 ଟା ଦେଖୁଛି।
ହଁ ଆପଣ ଆଣ୍ଡ ହିଜ ରିଟାୟରମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ ସୁପରିନୁଏସନ ଫଲ୍ସ ଅନ 31/5/25 ଆପଣ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଏଟା ମୁଁ କରେକ୍ସନ କରିଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା 28 ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଟା 31/5/2028 ରେ ମୁଁ ଏଟା ଇଏ କରିନି
ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରୁଛି ଆପଣ
ସେଇଟା
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମହାନ୍ତି ମିଷ୍ଟର ମହାନ୍ତି 25 ନା 28 ଆପଣ?
25 লিখিছে।
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଏଟା ମୁଁ କରେକ୍ସନ କରିଦେଇଛି 28 କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ କରିନାହିଁ ତାହେଲେ ସେଇ ମେନ୍ ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସରି ଶୁଭିଲାନି ଆଉ ଥରେ କହିଲି
2028 ରେ ଏଟା ମୋର ରିଟାୟାର
28 ଭୁଲ ହେଇଗଲା ଆଚ୍ଛା ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ହଁ
ଆଉ କିଛି ଲେଖିଲେନି କେବେ କେବେ ପଠେଇଲେ କଣ କଲେ?
ସେଟା ମୁଁ ପଠେଇଛି।
କିଛି ଲେଖି ସେଥିରେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଆନେକ୍ସର କିଛି ନାହିଁ କି ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫରେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
ଏନେକ୍ସର ଅଛି ପରା ଏନେକ୍ସର 8 ରେ
ଆନେକ୍ସର 8 ରେ ମୁଁ ତ ଦେଖିଲି ପାଇଲିନି ଆପଣ ଯଦି ପାଇବେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ।
ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ ପୋଷ୍ଟରେ ଦେଇଥିବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମତେ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଟିକେ ଆଉ
ଗଲା ଆସି ନାହିଁ ତାପରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବି ନାହିଁ
ଉଡିଆଲ ୱାର୍ଡ ନାହିଁ।
ନା କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
ନାଇଁ ୱିଥଡ୍ରଲ୍ ଟା ଲେଖାଇଛି ଏନେକ୍ସର 8 ରେ
ହଁ ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଲେ ଯେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କଣ ପଠେଇଲେ ଇମେଲ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ସ କଲେ ଚିଠି ଲେଖିଲେ ସ୍ପିଡ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ପଠେଇଲେ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର୍ଡ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ପଠେଇଲେ
ପଠେଇଥିଲେ
I have to ask them. I have to now ask them. They call. It is a serious thing, na? When I mean, courts contract, courts whatever we are taking up, we should be serious in that.
ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର ପାଖକୁ ପଠେଇଛି ମାନେ ଏଠୁ ପାସପୋର୍ଟ ରୁ ସେଟା ଇଏରି ପଠେଇଛି
ଆପଣ 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 ଯେମିତି ସେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ଯିଏ ସେ କେବେ ରିଟାୟାର କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଜାଣିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି 22 ମସିହାରେ ପଠଉଛନ୍ତି।
ନାଇଁ 28 ରେ କରିଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ମୋଟର କରେକ୍ସନ କରିଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି ସେଟା ତ କରେକ୍ସନ ଆପଣ ଭୁଲ କହିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ 22 ରେ ଆପଣ ରେଜିଗ୍ନେସନ ଦେଲେ 25 ରେ ୱିଥଡ୍ର କଲେ 3 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ
3 ବର୍ଷ
ତା ବି କାହାକୁ ଦେଲେ
ହେଲ୍ଥ ତାର ଭିତରେ ମୁଁ ହେଲ୍ଥ ଇସ୍ୟୁଜ ଟା ମୋର ପାଇଁ ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଆଉ
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ରିଜନ ପଚରା ହଉନି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସବୁ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ପଚରା ହଉଛି ଯେ ଆପଣ କାହାକୁ ପଠେଇଲେ ସେଇଟା କିଏ ସେ
ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର ପାଖକୁ ପୁରା ରେଟ୍ ଟା ପଠେଇଛି।
ଦେଖିଲେ
ଏଇ ରେଟ୍ ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ପେଜ 20 ରେ
କୋଉଠୁ ପେଜ 20 ରେ ଆପଣ ଲେଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି ପେଜ 11 ରେ କିଛି ଲେଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି ପାରା 11 ରେ ପେଜ 5 ରେ
ନାଇଁ ଯଦି ଏନେକ୍ସର ଟା ଦେଖିଲୁ ନା ଏନେକ୍ସର କରିଛି
ପାରା 5 ରେ ଯୋଉ 11 ରେ ପେଜ 5 ରେ କଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
ପେଜ 5 ରେ
ସେ ବେମାର ପଡିକି 5 ବର୍ଷ ବେମାର ପଡିଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
3 ବର୍ଷ ବେମାର ପଡିଲେ ତାପରେ ୱିଥଡ୍ର କଲେ ଇଏ କଣ ଆର କଣ ଅର୍ଥ କଣ ଆର 3 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ବେମାର ପଡିକି ତାପରେ ୱିଥଡ୍ର କରିବାର କଣ ତାର କାହାକୁ ଦେଲେ କଣ ଦେଲେ କୋଉ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ତ ନାହିଁ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଯାହା କଥା
ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ତ 10 ରେ ସେଟା ଅଛି ଏନେକ୍ସର 8 ରେ ମୁଁ ସେଟାକୁ
ଆନେକ୍ସର 8 ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପଚରା ହଉନି ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଡେଟ୍ ପଚରା ହଉଛି ଆନେକ୍ସର 8 କୋଉ ଦିନ କାହାକୁ ଦେଲେ
କେବେ କମ୍ୟୁନିକେଟ
ଏଇଟା ଦେଇଛି 21/7/2025 ତଳେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ଆପଣ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ରେ କୋଉଠି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ପାରା 11 ରେ ପଢନ୍ତୁ
ନାଇଁ ସେ ପାରା 11 ରେ ମୁଁ ଲେଖି ନାହିଁ ଏଠି
ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି
କୋଉଥିରେ ପଠେଇଲେ କଣ
ମୁଁ କଣ ତାଙ୍କର ମାନେ
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ନୁହେଁ
how can I attribute to you also Mr. Namtar how I can attribute basic facts ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସପୋର୍ଟ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ନା ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ରେ
ହଁ on affidavit
ଆପଣ ଯଦି if you do not say that to whom you have sent and on which date how the court will ask them
I guess
you file that affidavit
okay I will file that
yes you because you have to make it and
let it come 2 weeks after then I will file
yes Mr. लिखिए नाम तो Mr. Debraj Mohanty for the opposite parties 1, 2 and 3 the simply adjourn कर देंगे ना किसी लिखी भी अपन कौन
नहीं adjourn कर देते हैं
the only counsel for the petitioner after arguing for some time seeks adjournment to obtain further instructions pertaining to the matter stop accordingly the matter stands adjourned stop the petitioner shall have liberty to move the assigned bench for listing of the matter
okay
Item 11,
Mr. S. Samal. Same as 4.
item 12,
Mr. J.K. Mishra 2 into bracket 2. Same as 4.
item 13,
Mr. A.K. Saw. Same as 4.
item 14,
J.R. Behera. 14, Mr. Mahanti, you are there.
Yes.
Mr. Devarajman. Same as 4.
item 15,
That's nine.
Mr. S.S.K. Naik.
Mr. Ponda.
Mr. Ponda. S.B. Ponda, H.E. 15, same as 4. Mr. Bose, 16.
16,
Quickly, password code. He was here. Password code.
17,
17, sir.
My lord, petitioner joined as a
What now, sir?
MK Pradhan, my lord.
Mr. M.K. Pradhan for the petitioner. 17, Mr. S.B. Ponda for AGA for the state. Yes, Mr. Pradhan.
My lord, petitioner joined as a junior clerk at Simulia College, Marcona, District Baleson, my lord. On 19th May 90. In the scale as fixed by the government of Odisha, my lord. On 20 May 90, the petitioner joined before the principal comes.
Kindly look at the contents of your representation.
Yes, my lord.
What you seek from the authority? Who is the authority actually?
Authority, my lord, the OP number 2, my lord.
2 is?
The commissioner cum secretary
Is not
department
authority.
higher education.
I think it is a director.
Direct.
So director now, I think director is the authority. କାହାକୁ ପଢୁ ଆପଣ ପଢଉଛନ୍ତି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆଟଲିଷ୍ଟ ଟିକେ semblance of education ରହୁ ବଡ ଅଥରିଟି ଆପଣ ଏକାଥରେ ଚିଫ ସେକ୍ରେଟାରୀଙ୍କୁ ପଠେଇବେ ତାଙ୍କର ଯେ କ୍ଷମତା ନାହିଁ ସେ କଣ କରିବେ ବେସିକ୍ସ ତାକୁ ଆପଣ ଇଏ ରଖନ୍ତୁ ଇମ୍ପାକ୍ଟ ରଖନ୍ତୁ
Let me adjourn, my lord.
ହଁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେମିତି କରନ୍ତୁନି
Yes, ma'am.
and this always you are starting, you are young, always be particular.
Yes, ma'am.
This profession ରେ ଆପଣ ଯଦି particular ହେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର 70% କାମ ହେଇଗଲା
Fine.
लिखिए ना खाली अर्जुन को मिस्टर लिखिए तापर the learned counsel for the petitioner after arguing for some time seeks adjournment to obtain further instructions in the matter. Accordingly, the matter is adjourned. The petitioner shall have liberty to move the appropriate move the assigned dates for listing of the matter.
Fine.
So Bose, item 16
is just coming. Well, here, the petitioner applied for certain certified copies.
Okay.
That was not given. Under the Act,
PIL prayer no to mostly. Upon likely inquiring into the matter regarding fake ROR.
yes, fake error of mine. My error was then I have filed an application before the collector to see the mutation proceeding which has been culminated without a proper verification. That application is
Proper instruction.
that may be only disposed of, man.
No, let them take instructions. The
Yes.
allegations are very serious.
Yes.
Sir, AP Bose for the petitioner, Mr. S.B. Ponda, AGA for the state. No. Yeah, now badal dijiye. The doctor is concerned because why he has become Ponda. AGA hochhanti up 1 to 5. At this stage 6 to 10 notice nebe.
Notice টা নেই যাওয়াটা better.
Okay.
Or
The petitioner in the writ petition seeks a direction to the authority for conducting inquiry regarding a record of right which the petitioner alleges to be generated, which the petitioner alleges to be fake within court. FAK within court. He submitted that despite approaching the authorities have not taken action. And the petitioner has no other alternative remedy than to seek redressal of his or grievances before this court. No, he is not she. He. Issue notice along with this order, the lauded AGA, upon advance copy served, appears and waives notice on behalf of opposite parties 1 TO2 5. Notice to opposite parties 6 TO2 10 by SPW registered post with AD. Stop. Requisites for issuance of notice be filed within 7 days. Within 7 working days. List after SR. Stop the petitioners and are liberty to move the assigned bench for listing of the matter. Yes, grateful.
Item 18.
Himanshu Bhushan Das for the petitioner.
The claim of the petitioner.
Mr. S.P. Ponda AG for the opposite parties. All the opposite parties. Opposite party. Yes.
That matter is to the family pension to a divorced daughter, my lord. And
so when did you apply for family pension?
My lord, your lordship may kindly see.
Which page is the application?
Your lordship may annexure 5, your lordship may that will clear. Annexure 5.
Sir, which is your application? Which is the application of the daughter made to the authority for receiving family pension?
Application I have not submitted.
Because then how? What I will ask them?
Your lordship,
these are not the case. These are not. It's like even ex gratia of the death one has to apply. CORAM plus one has to apply. And these are service matter. These are statutory things.
My lord, that duly processed that BO had sent to the control of accounts, my lord. That is returned back page 21. Your lordship may kindly see.
Where is that? What was sent by the BO?
Your lordship.
And where is the reference? Where is the reference in the averment?
Averment. Paragraph 7, my lord. Petitioner that on the circumstances all the other legal heads have given
no reference, nothing. In fact, paragraph 7 you likhi na the. Apna avod ko paragraph jodi likhi
submit kale BO pakhare.
So kichi lekha hai?
Date mention nahi.
Kichi nahi. So how can the code be so non-specific? A REIT court exercising jurisdiction of 226.
Your lordship.
And the purpose should be to help the petitioner or to make academic exercise to help the petitioner.
My lord, your lordship.
So where is that?
My lord, only what I submit, my lord. Only that is correct, my lord.
No, it may be. Sir, we are not testing my correctness. We are trying to help the petitioner. Even if you have not mentioned, at least where you have stated that BO by which letter, what has happened.
That letter that is indicative of the page 21. That is the letter to BO.
I want the averment supported by affidavit, both.
My lord, annexure 5.
You see, for a widowed, you are saying widowed daughter.
My lord.
Widowed for a widowed daughter, this should not be a divorced daughter. Sorry, divorced daughter. So this whole legal process should not be again a problem. That you should bring some clarity here. That is your job as a lawyer. It's more like you have to be relief oriented. They're blaming the court to be not to be relief oriented, not liberal. You have to be relief oriented. You have to find out a solution for her. This much you have to bring to the notice that she should state on oath that At least you will then refer to the BO's letter to what you are referring. Where is that?
Letter number 181 dated 5 to 2024, my lord.
Paragraph, sir.
That
You have to
is-
refer to the page and paragraph.
That is 21, my lord, annexure, my lord, that is page annexure 5.
Which paragraph you have stated BO has sent and what has happened?
Lordship. Thereafter, the paragraph 7, my lord, only.
You take adjournment, Mr. Das.
This much administrator that thereafter the said papers.
Sir, I can't be that tentative.
Lastly submitted.
Das, I cannot be that tentative. You take adjournment. You have to be sure in your case what you are saying before the
The
court.
matter has been remanded for re-examination. No final decision has been taken. Impugned annexure 5 at page 21
Well, let him be satisfied. The learned counsel for the petitioners.
for re-examination by the BO.
Mr. Ponda, if you do not know where to start, ଯଦି ଆରମ୍ଭରୁ ଆପଣ ତାହେଲେ re-examine କଣ କରିବେ?
Na re-examine on the
ତାଙ୍କର application କାହାକୁ ଦେଲେ, କୋଉ ground ରେ ଦେଲେ?
Date of-
So, I don't know. We do not know. So let him take the learned counsel for the petitioner, 6 adjournment. Stop. According the matter is adjourned, the petitioner shall have liberty to move the assigned bench for listing of the matter. ଆପଣ regular bench ରେ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ and within that time at least you support your
Additional appeal to.
Ever ଆପଣ support କରନ୍ତୁ. Look out a case. That's the basic thing you have to do.
Obligation.
19.
The Mahendra Kumar Sahu for the petitioner.
19, that is relating to pension in respect of aided block grant employees. As your lordship in division bench that matter.
a batch of writ appeals are pending. Hemanta Chotra is the lead matter.
की फीस करते
पहला adjourn नहीं जाओ.
No, 28 को.
So Mahendra Kumar Sahu for the petitioner, Mr. S.V. Ponda AGA for the state. Counsel for the petitioner. 6 accommodation. Stop. According to the petition is adjourned. Stop. The petitioner shall have liberty to move the assigned bench for listing of the matter.
22-23 टा similar.
19, 22, 23.
22-23 similar.
से रीट अपील ପରେ ଯାହା କରିବେ
से ही होଉଛି.
adjourn.
That is before your minors sitting with the.
Yes, next please.
Item 20.
Mr. Saubhagya Kumar Samal for the petitioner.
May
There is
My
Ponda
lord.
AGA for the state.
my lord, the petitioner, because the lordship is a retired librarian, is claiming pay revision in terms of the resolution of the state government. In the,
ଆପଣ implementation କାଇଁ seek କରୁଛନ୍ତି? Consent ତ file କରିବେ.
no, এটা ତାକୁ extend ହେଇନି, has not been extended.
So have you applied to the petition? Where is your application then?
In the meantime, he has retired.
He should have applied.
মানে
Mr. Samal, this is besides this case actually.
My lord.
Whenever you straight away approaching the court, they take a stand that he is not entitled.
my lord, yes, your lord is right. Yes,
That you should avoid that situation.
my lord,
You should apply there. Let them take a decision on merit.
that is why coordinate bench has passed order to make a representation, detailed representation. I am having that.
The petitioner has stated in the writ application. ଆପଣ ନିଜେ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ମତେ କାହିଁ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ପଢିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା ମତେ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଡିକ୍ଟେସନ ଦେଲା ଆପଣ ମତେ ଏଟା ଦେଖେଇବେ. The petitioner has stated in the writ petition has to have retired as a librarian while working in the government college in BJP Autonomous College, Bhubaneswar. Because the petitioner requires your assistance in making a representation also.
My
Because so that you
Yes.
should have made.
my
Or like, no? It is further stated that he has not been extended the authority, the benefit of revised scale of pay in terms of the notification of the government in the Department of Higher Education dated 15/10/2011. Stop. It is fairly submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner has not approached the authority for consideration of his grievances regarding the entitlement for revised scale of pay. Stop. It is further submitted that the petitioners will approach the authority with all the details regarding the claim and entitlement of the petitioner within a period of 1 month. Within a period of 1 month. Para. In view of the submissions made at the bar, the learned AG in response submits that if the petitioner approaches the authority for redressal of his grievances, the authority shall do well. The authority shall not do well. The authority shall consider the grievance of the petitioner and take appropriate decision in accordance with law. Para. Having heard learned counsel for the petitioner and the learned AG, the AG Dono, in considered opinion of this court, no useful purpose should be served to keep the petition pending before this court, as the petitioner has not yet approached the authority. Stop. Para. The writ application is disposed of, directing the authorities to take decision regarding entitlement of the petitioner for revised scale of pay if the petitioner approaches the authority within a period of 1 month, 6 weeks for them, within a period of 6 weeks with all the details, along with certified copy of this order. Authorities, upon receipt of the representation of the petitioner with all supporting documents and other particulars, shall consider the same, and if felt necessity, may require the petitioner to furnish all such additional documents and particulars. The authorities shall take a decision as expeditiously as possible, preferably within a period of 6 months from date of communication of the certified copy of this order, along with all other documents. The authorities shall also take into account the fact that the petitioner has already retired from service and is a senior citizen. And if he is entitled for any benefit from his employer, state government, the same needs to be dealt with expeditiously. Para. It is clarified that this court has not expressed any opinion regarding the claim of the petitioner or the contentions of the parties to the litigation in any manner. Yes, it's
Item 21.
Mr. M.S. Hassan. For the petitioner, Mr. S.B. Ponda, IGA for the state. The petitioner seeks accommodation. Product counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation. Stop. Accordingly, the petition is, according to the matter stands adjourned. Stop. The petitioner shall have liberty to move the assigned page for listing of the matter. Next. 22-23. She mentioned that Mr. Sahoo. Same as 19. Picture there.
But 21 sir is 29.
Same as 19.
21 ଯାହା କଲେ 29 ଟା ଆପଣ ନେବେ 29 ଟା ହଉଛି ଯିବା ରୁହନ୍ତୁ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ ହବ 24 Mr. A. Barik for the petitioner. Mr. S.B. Ponda AG. Same as adjournment order for the same as 19.
25,
Tilloson Barik, same adjournment. 26, Mr. Malik.
26,
Mr. Malik.
About the Victoria, yes. Graded school staff.
See, I had passed a order. Actually, copied that.
Among that. Division of pay. Where students came force 1 on 2006, 16. They have been allowed from 1 on 110 2017. Directly covered by the influence.
So both, my order and that Victoria order is there with you.
Now, Victoria reported in 2004 to
What's your response? Covered by Victoria or you will obtain instruction?
Obtain instruction.
Mr. Siddheshwar Malik for the petitioner, Mr. S.B. Panda AGA. Is for the opposite parties. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the subject matter of the writ petition is no more res integra and is covered by the decision rendered by this court. Division bench na coordinate bench, sir. By the division bench of this court in Dipti Roy versus State of Odisha 2004 into bracket Roman 2 OLR 918 and Vijay Ketan Khatua versus State of Odisha 2015 into bracket Roman 1 OLR 452.
2007 resolution is challenged in 2025.
The 17 na 17
2017 notification.
से सेमती हे जाउची आपनकर देखिले नाम तो आरकर रिटायरमेंट गुड 7 हे जाइतिबो सेमिति कोन होते 8 वर्ष Sida, but the thing is that it's a judgment in vain. If it has been struck down, then it is a judgment in vain. The learned AGA 6 and has adjournment. How much time, Mr. Panda?
2 weeks. 3 weeks.
Adjournment for 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
6 and has adjournment for 3 weeks to obtain instruction regarding the submissions made by the learned counsel for the petitioner. The matter is adjourned accordingly. The petitioner shall have liberty to move the assigned bench for listing of the matter. Yes, next.
27,
Yes, Mr. Behra.
One after one.
Say adjournment, petitioner, Mr. A.K. Behra.
Yes.
Mr. S.B. Panda. Yes.
28,
Mr. K.M.H. Hassan, KMH Niyamati, for the petitioner, Mr. S.B. Panda, AGA, adjournment. No?
29,
Yeah, sorry. Okay. 29 ta se jo Mr.
21,
Same as 21. See, sabuda ka to motion likhi. Okay. Okay, sir. बेसी होला सागर बेसी होला डाको डाको बहुत डिक्टेशन है
item 30,
मिस्टर एचएन महापात्र एचएन महापात्र for the petitioner Mr. Prem Kumar Mohanty additional standing counsel for the state opposite parties. Mahapatra, please.
Lordship will get it at page 26 of annexure 5. The appellate order, my lord, passed by the sub-collector in relating to mutation of the land.
Against that, no revision is not available. The petitioner is grieving before this court challenging the order dated 2/7/2025 passed by the sub-collector Hon'Ble in mutation appeal number 5 of 2022, setting aside the mutation order passed in mutation case number case number 283 of 2021 by the Tahsildar Hon'Ble. After sub-collector, you have come to High Court.
Right.
They submitted that there is no other statutory remedy against the order passed by the sub-collector. Stop. They submitted that the order passed by the sub-collector in the mutation appeal is contrary to the material on record and the settled propositions of law.
There is no appeal memo. Your Worship.
Stop.
There is no appeal memo. There is no appeal memo. There is no limitation application.
Whatever. If you notice along with this order, the learned AC upon advance copy served appears and waives notice on behalf of the opposite parties 1 to 1 3. Notice to OP4 by speed oblique registered post with heady. With heading, we filed within 5 working days or 7. Within 5 working days. List after SR. IA 17494 of 2025. Issue notice as above. Ago had not a counsel for the petitioner. Stop. He reiterated his submissions as noted above. Yeah. Issue notice as above, accept one set of process fee as well as postal requisites. Stop. In the interim, it is directed that status quo regarding खाता प्लॉट किसी लेक्चर ना शेड्यूल किसी नहीं और नहीं कुछ और कौन हो ने स्टे पे करी होबनी
Because you Lordship may kindly consider, because you Lordship may kindly consider annexure 1. There is one will.
You just imagine. So your ground is that there is no appeal paper and the High Court will stay without looking at anything. The same thing. Any action taken pursuant to the खाता पर लेखी ना schedule देना I don't know why you have not given, but anyway.
Schedule is there, man. Schedule is my at annexure 5, my lord.
Status quo regarding code खाता प्लॉट code पाउचुंती.
Page 22, you Lordship will get. Page 20.
But straight away come to that.
My lord, page 22, my lord, statement of the Tahsildar has stated it is a matter of fact that the land under holding number 6.
अरे मापन पचारची कोण आपण सुकावसु आपण जो status quo regarding the plot number so and so सेटा कोड लिखछन
सेटा अछि 22 पेज रे
पर स्टेट सेठी कोंतु
आगे प्लॉट नंबर 209 बाय 572
एरिया नंबर 209 बाय 572
एरिया 0.0800 एकर्स
কিন্তু आपण फैक्चुअल मैट्रिक्स से सेटा नहीं मैच करू उल्टांतुनी पेज उल्टांतुनी सी पेज रे रहंतु पेज 22 रे ऊपर को देखंतु पार्टीशन suit for partition 91 of 2017 CS 91 of 2017 the new khatian number is 70 of 98 so upon the stay mountain that may not help you also the notice given
the status quo space
status quo regarding the suit plot shall be maintained by both the parties regarding nature character ownership possession shall be maintained by both the parties by the petitioner and the opposite party secretary
but not 4 you lordship
by the OP4 by the petitioner as well as the opposite parties by the opposite parties shall be maintained until further orders
deploy.
If you liberty to mention, list after SR, liberty to mention. Stop. Liberty to mention, the petitioner shall have liberty to move the assigned bench for listing of the matter. Petitioner, oblique OP4 and OP4. Yes. Next.
Item 31.
The Ranjit Mahantis for the
challenging the illegal action of the opposite party. Not allowing the petitioner to enter into school and to do his duty, my lord. The petitioner is
so who is the authority who is preventing you?
Is collector annexure 5.
Prevent kiya kale apno? Prevent kiya kale? Balavan kale?
Headmaster.
Headmaster. Tanko authority ko approach karantu.
I filed repentation if pending.
Repentation karantu ni. You have to be relief oriented. Apno jaha korchoti petitioner ko kichi labho ho. Petitioner ko kohibe tanga headmaster ko authority kiye?
DO.
BO ना हेडमास्टर ऊपर BO कि DO ठीक है तांको अप्रोच कले कोठे कले
DO annexure 2 years evidence DO issued a letter
आपण पिटिशनर DO को पिटिशनर गले स्कूल को ताको स्कूल रे पूरे देलेनी दरवान छाडलानी कि हेडमास्टर छाडलेनी सी हेडमास्टर का अथॉरिटी को जे कहले कोठी कहले
He only filed the representation before the collector, who is
केमति
the
करंतु कलेक्टर को सब क्षमता
who
नाही
is the chairperson of the school. It's a resolution, it's a appointment made through resolution, my lord. SSG group as well as
Today, upon
most school.
discussion we are discussing after the petitioner was prevented from entering a school where he is supposed to enter. Who was prevented? Your answer is headmaster.
Headmaster.
Then have you approached the authority of the headmaster that headmaster is doing like this?
I have not approached.
Then how can the court can say? I cannot regulate the Darwan and the headmaster.
I will file
I think that is much above.
I will file a fresh petition before DO.
President देबे ना रिपेंड अब रेगुलर बेंच से आसीबो अर्जन कर देबे.
Representation they be DO पाखरे considered.
It is yes, Mr. Prem Kumar. Disposed of.
File a representation before the
Mr.
master.
Mr. Ranjit Mahanti for the petitioner, Mr. Prem Kumar Mahanti for the opposite party. से हेडमास्टर को प्राइवेट स्कूल ना कि तांके ପାଇଁ से अपेयर करिवे कि
गवर्नमेंट स्कूल.
गवर्नमेंट स्कूल. अब ये भोड़ानाथ महिला मंडल
बोलर में तो
मोस्ट स्कूल अभिचार कमिटी
से अपॉइंटमेंट
1 to 6 कर देवे खाली 1 to 6.
One
submitted by the Lorded Council for the petition. It is the petitioner has approached this court alleging seeking redressal of his grievance as stated in the writ petition that he is not being allowed to enter to the school ले अपन पसिବାକୁ चाहुଛନ୍ତି
जे कोलाबड़ा गवर्नमेंट
फिर कौन करियो स्कूल ले पसी कोन पाठ पढिबे ना पढिबे
पोस्ट वॉच एंड वर्ड वॉचमैन ही वाज कंटिन्यूइंग
वॉचमैन हेबे
वॉच विथ थिले सी
कौन गवर्नमेंट हाई स्कूल कोलापड़ा
डिस्ट्रिक्ट केंद्रापड़ा
डिस्ट्रिक्ट केंद्रापड़ा देखि लिख देबे ऊपर 6 से अछि सेंटेंस ता पढिले enter the premises of so and so.
So to do is
it is stated that the petitioner was working as a watch and word person in the said school, but he is not being allowed to enter as per the orders of the OP number 6 headmaster. Orders oblique direction for them. It is fairly submitted that the petitioner shall approach the higher authorities of the headmaster of the said government high school, and writ petition is and for the time being the petitioner shall not pursue the writ petition. But according to the writ petition stands disposed of, the petitioner, if so advised, may approach the appropriate authority for the decision of his grievances. So, it's clarified that the petitioner, this court has not expressed any opinion regarding the contentions of the petitioner or the parties to the litigation. Yes.
Ashok
Das for the petitioner, Mr. Prem Kumar Mahanti for the opposite parties. Yes, sir.
My lord, very limited grievance. The petitioner one is a widow, whereas another petition is there. They have filed a writ petition challenging, my lord, that they are the recorded owner of the plot, annexure 1, my lord, they have filed. They are owner of the property, my lord, house, my lord. In front of their house, my lord, the government, opposite party, my lord, going to establish a health sub-center.
That is, have you approached the authority?
Again?
High Court cannot prevent construction. High Court has a limitation.
Again. My grievance
in 226. So have you approached who is the authority who can take care of your grievances? You have to pursue a litigation to give something to the petitioner.
I'm just going with the permission, Lord.
I am justice, not authority. Who is the authority? You are saying that they are.
Earlier, कौन है जी आदर की से पिटिशन से हमारे गवर्नमेंट डिसीजन नहीं थिला शिलान्यास मध्य हेतिला earlier twice गोटे जागा रे से माने करिया पाई
सेतरे किछि करि होबन से माने कोन जदी चाहुचंती गोटे आपनकर रिड्रेसल पाई यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई हु इज द अथॉरिटी हु विल टेक केयर हाई कोर्ट कैन नॉट प्रिवेंट कंस्ट्रक्शन और स्टार्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन प्लीज अप्रिशिएट दैट
ना तो प्लेस चेंज करि परिबे ना
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ କରିପାରିବନି।
High Court has power because
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ର ପାୱାର ନାହିଁ।
ସେମାନେ ଦିଥର
so single decision by high court or the supreme court contrary ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଛି ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ଡିସିସନ ଅଛି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ସେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆନ୍ଧ୍ରପ୍ରଦେଶ ଡିସିସନ ଅଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତ ଆପଣ କୋଉ ଅଥରିଟି ଆପ୍ରୋଚ କଲେ ଯୋଉଟା କି ଇନାକ୍ସନ ହେଲା ସେଠି ଆପଣ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ କୁ ଆଣିବେ ଯେ ମାଣ୍ଡାମସ୍ କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ରିଟ୍ ନାହିଁ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଷ୍ଟପ୍ କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ କିଛି ନାହିଁ
ନା ସେମାନେ ଡିସିସନ ନେଇଥିଲେ
ଆପଣ ନହେଲେ ରେଗୁଲାର ବେଞ୍ଚ ମୁଭ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ
ନା ଗୋଟେ ପଇସାରେ ଆପଣ ସେଟା
କହିବାରେ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା
ନା ସେ ଡିସିସନ ହେଇଗଲା
that's your right ମୋର concern ଯେ whether I should speak or not ତାପରେ ଭାବୁଛି there are so many cases pending others are waiting ତ ଆପଣ ଯଦି କୋଉଠି କଣ ଶିଳାନ୍ୟାସ ବିଷୟରେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯାହାର କି ସମ୍ପର୍କ ନାହିଁ 226 ଶିଳାନ୍ୟାସଟା କୋଉ ରିଟ୍ ରେ ହବ ବା ଶିଳାନ୍ୟାସ ବନ୍ଦ ହବ ସେମିତି କିଛି ରିଟ୍ ନାହିଁ 226 is very wide much beyond even read jurisdiction any other right
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କୋଉଥିରେ ରାଇଟ୍ ଅଛି ଶିଳାନ୍ୟାସ ବନ୍ଦ କରିବ କି ଘର ହବନି ସେମିତି ବି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିଫାଏବଲ ଗୋଟେ କିଛି ଅଛି ତାହେଲେ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ ୟୁର ଜବ୍ ଆଜ ଏ ଲୟର ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୟୁ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଆସିଷ୍ଟ ଦ ପିଟିସନର କି ଜାଣିନି ପିଟିସନର କି ଜାଣିନି he or she is not conscious of their rights and duties that is there ଆପଣ ଯଦି there you have to assist the court and the petition
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟିକୁ ନେଇକି ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଅଥରିଟିଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଯିବେ ସେ ଯଦି କିଛି କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି କରିବା ତାଙ୍କର କ୍ଷମତା ଅଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସମସ୍ତେ କଲେକ୍ଟର ପାଖକୁ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ପ୍ରାୟ ମ୍ୟୁଟେସନ ପାଇଁ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟରେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଗୋଟେ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ହାଜ ବିକମ୍ ନାଉ ସବ୍ କଲେକ୍ଟର
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତ ସେଥିରେ କଣ ହବ ତାହେଲେ
କଲେକ୍ଟର ବି ଆମକୁ
ଅନଏବଲ ଟୁ ହିୟର ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ୍ ଆୱାର ରେଗୁଲାର ମାନେ ଯୋଉଟାକ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଶୁଣିବା କଥା ଦେयर ଆର୍ ସୋ ମେନି ମ୍ୟାଟର୍ସ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଉ ସେମାନେ ଡିସିସନ ନେଇଥିଲେ ଶିଳାନ୍ୟାସ ସରିଗଲା ପୁଣି ଥାର୍ଡ ଟାଇମ
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଲେଭେଲରେ କିଏ ଡିସିସନ ନେଇକି ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିରେ ଦିଟା ସାଧାରଣ ଲୋକଙ୍କର କିଛି ରୋଲ ନାହିଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିପାରେ ନ ଲାଗିପାରେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
eminent domain ରେ land acquire ହଉଛି the people are put to a difficulty dam linear projects like road or construction projects railway line so those are government decisions they may take action for acquisition of land or I mean construction but here ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଗୋଟେ ଘର ତିଆରି ହବ ସେଥିରେ ତାର
ଯୋଉଟା ସେମାନେ ଡିସିସନ ଆଗରୁ ନେଇଥିଲେ ସେଠି କଲେ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗା ନେଲେ
ସେଥିରେ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ ଲୋକର କିଛି ରୋଲ ନାହିଁ
ଆମେ
ମୋ ଘର ପାଖରେ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ହେଲେ ଆଇ ବି ମୋଷ୍ଟ ହାପି କି ଅନହାପି
ଆଉ ଜାଗା ନାହିଁ ପରା ସେ ମୋର ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସ ଗେଟ୍ ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଗଲା
ସେଟା ଯଦି ସେଟା they cannot prevent
ରାସ୍ତାରେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ଆପଣ ତାକୁ ବଲ ଦେଇକି ଅଥରିଟି ଆପ୍ରୋଚ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଗରେ ଆପଣ
ଆନେକ୍ସର କଲେକ୍ଟର ପାଖରେ କଥା ହେଇ କେହି ଶୁଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ଆନେକ୍ସ କଲେକ୍ଟର କାମ ସେଟା ନୁହଁ ଏନକ୍ରୋଚମେଣ୍ଟ ରିମୁଭାଲ ହଉଛି ତହସିଲଦାରଙ୍କ କାମ
ତହସିଲଦାରକୁ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି
କୋଉଠି ଲେଖିଲେ କୋଉ ଏନକ୍ରୋଚମେଣ୍ଟ
ସେଟା ସେ ଯୋଉ
କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ଏନକ୍ରୋଚମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି
ତହସିଲଦାର
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଜାଗାରେ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ହେଲେ ସେଥିରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କିଛି କହିବାର ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ବିଷୟ ଆପଣ ଓଡିଆ ତ ପଢୁଥିବେ କଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଓଡିଆ
ଆକର୍ଷଣ ମେଡିକାଲ ଜମି ନିମିତ୍ତ ଚିହ୍ନ ପ୍ରକ୍ରିୟା ସମ୍ପର୍କ ସେଥିରେ ସାଧାରଣ ଲୋକଙ୍କର କଣ ଅଛି
ସେଟା ବା ମୋ ଘର
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ଆପଣ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିପାରେ
କାହାକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁନି ସବୁ ଗାଁ ଲୋକ
ଆପଣ ପ୍ରେୟାର କରନ୍ତୁ ଯେ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ହବନି ବୋଲି ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରେୟାର କରନ୍ତୁ ଅଥରିଟି ଦାବି କରିପାରିବେ ଯେ ଆମର ଏଠି ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ହବନି
ଆମେ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ହବା
ଆପଣ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁନି ଯିଏ ଲୋକ ପଇସା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିବ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ତା ଜାଗା ତା ଜିନିଷ ସେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଜାଗାରେ ସେ
କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ସେଟା ତାଙ୍କର ଦେଖିବି ନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଖାତା ପ୍ଲଟ କିଛି ନାହିଁ
ଅଛି ନା ପ୍ରେୟାର ପର୍ସନ ଲର୍ଡସିପ କାଇଣ୍ଡ ହାଭ୍ ଏ ଗ୍ଲାସ
ଆପଣ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁନି ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗା ସିଲେକ୍ଟ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଠି ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ କରିବେ ବୋଲି ସେଟା ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ହେଇପାରିବ
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ସେ କଥା କହୁନି ମିଲଟ
ସେମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆନେକ୍ସନ 5 ରେ ଯଦି ମିଷ୍ଟର ମହାନ୍ତି ଠିକ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ପିକେ ମହାନ୍ତି ତ କିଛି ଲେଖା ବି ହେଇନି ଆପଣ କୋଉ ଜମିଟା ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଏନକ୍ରୋଚମେଣ୍ଟ କରି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା କିଛି ଲେଖିବେ ତ ଫେରେ
ପ୍ଲଟ ନମ୍ବର ଲେଖିଛି ପ୍ରେୟାର ଲେଖିଛି 6964 ଖାତା ନମ୍ବର 350 ଯୋଉଟା କି
ସେଟା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କୋଉ ପେଜରେ ଅଛି କୋଉ ପେଜରେ ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି
ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପ୍ରେୟାର ପର୍ସନ ଅଛି ଆଜ ୱେଲ୍ ଆଜ ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ ସେ ଯୋଉ
ଆନେକ୍ସନ 5 ଯୋଉଟା ମିଷ୍ଟର ମହାନ୍ତି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ପେଜ 49 ସେଟା
49
ସେଥିରେ କିଛି ଖାତା ପ୍ଲଟ କିଛି ନାହିଁ
ସେଇଟା ନେ ସବସିକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଆଲିଓର ଦିଥର
ଆପଣ ଖାତା ପ୍ଲଟ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ କରିକି ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ନିଜ ପଇସାରେ କରିବେ ଯଦି କରନ୍ତୁ ତେଣୁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କୁ ବାଧ୍ୟ କରନ୍ତୁନି ଦେ ୱିଲ୍ ସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ 100 crore କି 1 crore ଆପଣ ଏଇ ଖାତାରେ ଏଠି କରିବେ ସେଠି କରିବେ ସେଟା କରନ୍ତୁ
ସେମାନେ କରିବା ଚିନ୍ତା କରି ଡିସିସନ ନେଇ ଯାଇଥିଲେ
ସେଥିରେ ଆପଣ ୟୁ ସି ୟୁ ଆର୍ ଏ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେଟିଭ ଡେମୋକ୍ରାସି ଏଭ୍ରିୱାନ୍ ତାହେଲେ ତ ସମସ୍ତେ ସବୁ 100 crore ବା 300 crore
ମୋର ଖାଲି ସିମ୍ପଲ ଗ୍ରିଭାନ୍ସ ସେମାନେ ଟ୍ୱାଇସ୍ ଡିସିସନ ନେଲେ ପୂଜା ପଇସା ଲାଗି
ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଯାହା କରିବା କଥା କରନ୍ତୁ ଗ୍ରିଭାନ୍ସ ରିଡ୍ରେସାଲ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଅଥରିଟିକୁ ଆପ୍ରୋଚ କଲେ କରନ୍ତୁ କୋଉଠି କଲେ ସେଇଟା ଆପଣ ଆନେକ୍ସର 5 ରେ କିଛି ଲେଖା ହେଇନି
4-5 ସବୁ ଆନେକ୍ସର
କିଛି ଲେଖିନାହାନ୍ତି
କଲେକ୍ଟର
ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଘର ହେଇଯାଉଛି ଯୋଉଟା କି ହବା କଥା ନୁହଁ ସେଟା ଲେଖିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ନା
ପେଜ 52 ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆନେକ୍ସର ଦେଖନ୍ତି ଲର୍ଡସିପ
51 is a PL. I don't have more assignment ନାହିଁ PL. ଆପଣ ଯଦି PL କ୍ଲିୟର କରୁଛନ୍ତି
PL ଏଟା ନୁହେଁ ମାଇଲର ତା ମୋ ପର୍ସନାଲ ଆଫେକ୍ଟ ହଉଛି ପରା
ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ ସେଟାକୁ ଆପଣ ଇଏ କରି ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ
ସେଥିରେ ସବୁ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଆନେକ୍ସର 6, 5, 6, 7 ସବୁଥିରେ ସେମାନେ ଡିସିସନ ନେଇ ସାରିଥିଲେ ଏଟା ଥ୍ରାଇସ୍ ଅକେଜନ ଚେଞ୍ଜିଂ ଦିଆର ପ୍ଲେସ୍ ଆଲିୟର ଦିଥର
ନୟନଜୋଡ଼ିରେ ଘର ବି ହେଇପାରିବନି
ନୟଜୋରେ ସେମାନେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ପରା ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ନୟଜୋରେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସବୁ ଡିଫେକ୍ଟ ତାଙ୍କର ନୟଜୋରେ କଣ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ନୟନଜୋଡ଼ିଟା ହଉଛି ଚଉଡାଟା 10-15 ଫୁଟ ହବ ନୟନଜୋଡ଼ି କୋଉଠି ଏକରରେ ନଥାଏ ଆପଣ ଓଡିଆ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି କି ନାଇଁ
ନୟନଜୋଡ଼ିରେ ସେମାନେ
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଗ୍ଲୋସାରୀ ଅଛି ରେଭିନ୍ୟୁର ସେଥିରେ ନୟନଜୋଡ଼ି ହଉଛି ତ ରାସ୍ତା ସାଇଡରେ ଯୋଉ ଜମିରେ ଯୋଉଟା ପାଣି ଯାଏ ଆଉ ଏକର କଣ ହବ ସେଥିରେ
ସେଇଥିରେ ସେମାନେ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନୟନଜୋଡ଼ି ଉପରେ ମୁଁ ତ ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ନେଇଛି ନୟନଜୋଡ଼ି ଉପରେ କିଛି ହେଇପାରିବନି ସେମାନେ କିନ୍ତୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଥ୍ରାଇସ୍ ଟାଇମ ହେଲା ଟ୍ୱାଇସ୍
ଯାହାକୁ ଆପଣ ଆପ୍ରୋଚ କଲେ
ମାଇଲଟ ମୁଁ ଆପ୍ରୋଚ କରିଛି କଲେକ୍ଟର
ଆପଣ ଡ୍ୟାସ୍ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଡ୍ୟାସ୍ କଣ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟରେ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ
ଡ୍ୟାସ୍ କୋଉଠି ମାଇଲଟ
କୋଉଠି ମାଇଲଟ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
2 ନମ୍ବର କଲେକ୍ଟର 3 ନମ୍ବର ତହସିଲଦାର
କଣ ତ ପଢିବେନି କନସେନ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ ନାହିଁ 52 ରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଡ୍ୟାସ୍ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
ସେଟା ମୁଁ ସରି
ମାଇଲଟ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
ସେଟା ଲେଖା ଟୁ ଦ ଜିଲ୍ଲାପାଳ ଡ୍ୟାସ୍ ଗଞ୍ଜାମ
ଡ୍ୟାସ୍ ଟା କଣ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଡ୍ୟାସ୍
ନା ସେଇଟା ଜିଲ୍ଲାପାଳ
ହ୍ୱାଟ ଇଜ ଦିସ୍
ଗଞ୍ଜାମ
ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ
ମୂର୍ଖ
change these habits
ସେ ମୂର୍ଖ ଲୋକ
ସିଏ ମୂର୍ଖ ତ ଆମେ ତ ମୂର୍ଖ ନୁହଁ ନା ଆମେ ଯଦି ମୂର୍ଖ ମୁଁ ଡ୍ୟାସ୍ ମୋ ପାଖରୁ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ
ନା ସେଟା ଡ୍ୟାସ୍ ନୁହେଁ ବିଲ ସେଟା ଜିଲ୍ଲାପାଳ କମ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଗଞ୍ଜାମ
କମ
ଡ୍ୟାସ୍ ନୁହେଁ ମିଲ ଶ୍ରୀଯୁକ୍ତ ଜିଲ୍ଲାପାଳ ଗଞ୍ଜାମ ମହୋଦୟ ସମୀପେଶ
ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉଛି once I start dictating it will be PL what can be done ଆପଣ PL ମୁଭ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନରେ ପାଖାପାଖି 30 ଜଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଅଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
how this court has jurisdiction
ମୋ ଘର ଆଗରେ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଅଦର୍ସ ଭିଲେଜ ଅଲସୋ ଡିସାଟିସ୍ଫାଇଡ୍ ଏଗେନ୍ଷ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍
ସେଟା ଆପଣ PL ଯିବେ ନା ବଡ କୋର୍ଟ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଠି କୋର୍ଟ ବଡ ସାନ ଅଛି
ପିଆଇଲେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଆସିଲେ ସିନା ମୁଁ ତ ଆଫେକ୍ଟ ହଉଛି ମୋ ଘର
ତାହେଲେ 50 କଥା କାହିଁକି ସେ PL ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପାଖାପାଖି 30 ଜଣ ଲୋକ ଦସ୍ତଖତ କରିଛନ୍ତି ହାଉ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ସେ ଯେ ଜାଗାଟା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁଟ କରିପାରିବି
ମୋର ଗୋଟେ
ନାଁ କଣ
Annexure 1 lordship kind have a class.
Annexure 1 କେମିତି
More now my lord Narmada Aletia and another one is Anantaram Aletia.
ଆପଣ ନିଜେ ପଢି ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଭାବନ୍ତୁ
Anantaram Aletia. 2 Aletia. Petition ora jo widow and second one is the
ତ ସେ ଗୋଟିଏ ପିଟିସନର is widow ସେଟା was no is widow.
Yes.
Has she remarried again?
No.
ତାହେଲେ she is a widow.
She is widow and 2 number is my lord.
ନା ତ ନାହିଁ ଏଥିରେ 50 ପେଜରେ ଗୋଟେ ଲେଖା ଅଛି ଚୋବିନ୍ଦ ପ୍ରଧାନ
ସେମାନେ ଅଦର ଭିଲେଜର୍ସ ଭିଲେଜ୍ ତାଙ୍କ
ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ କେମିତି ଆପଣ ଦେବେ
ମାନେ ଭିଲେଜ ପିପୁଲ ଅଲସୋ ଡିସାଟିସ୍ଫାଇଡ୍ ୱିଥ୍ ଦ
ସେଟା ତାଙ୍କ କଥା ଅଲଗା ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ଦେଲେ ସେଟା ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
ତା ନେକ୍ସଟ ପେଜ ଟା 52 ଟା ମିଲର୍ସ to be per collector Anantaram Aletia that is the petition number 2 here. Next one will 55 that is the petition number 1 Narmada Aletia.
কোন ସେପ୍ଟେମ୍ବର ମାସରେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଫେର କଣ ତାପରେ
ସେ ଏମାନଙ୍କ ଘର ମାଇଲଡ ଆଫେକ୍ଟ ହେଉଛି.
It is submitted by the learned counsel for the apparent section. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that construction is made in front of the houses of the petitioners as indicated in the representations annexed to the writ petition at pages.
That is my lord page 55 Narmada Aletia
page 52 53 52-53 and 55-56
and 58 also.
The
Proposed health.
The writ petition has also, the writ petition also encloses the receipt of registered post letters issued, sent to the authority collector Punjab. The learned AAC, upon advanced copy served, appears on behalf of the opposite parties 1, 2, and 3. He shall obtain instruction from the appropriate authority regarding the allegations made in the said representations and the writ petition that construction is made in front of the house of the petitioners, thereby preventing their ingress and egress from respective houses. The Learned Counsel for the state shall obtain sketch map of the area indicating the location of the petitioner's house as well as the pathway that gives them access to their respective houses, and location of the proposed hospital. Proposed hospital.
Proposed health sub center.
Proposed health hospital into bracket health sub center. How much time, Mr.?
4 weeks.
Well, on AC, 6 for and has 4 weeks time to obtain instruction. The matter is adjourned accordingly. The petitioner shall have liberty to move the assigned bench for listing of the matter. Yes, next.
Miscase my lord status.
ଆପଣ ତ ନିଜେ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା କୋଉଠି କଣ ହଉଛି ସେ ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ କଣ ନେବେ ତାପରେ ପିଟିସନ ଆପଣ ବିରକ୍ତ ହେବେ ସେ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ କୋଡରେ କହିଲେ ଆପଣ କିଛି କରନ୍ତୁନି ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ କୋ ମାନେ ଉଭୟ ପକ୍ଷକୁ ଆପ୍ଲିକେବୁଲ ହବ ମିସ୍ କେସରେ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଆଜ above learned AC appears and shall obtain instruction. Yes, next.
खाली टिके मालट करेक्शन टिके हबो से जो हाउसेस बता खाली प्लॉट टा अछि सेटा हाउसेस करा जाय प्राइवेट पर्सन
आपण जेतले मते कहि परलेनी एवं कलेक्टर डैश डैश कहिले मु सेतु बुझी गेल जे आपण निजे जानि ना
ना ना घर हेइले
से कोन हिच आया आपण
पूरा कंप्लीट हाउस हेइले काई मालट ना ना माय सबमिशन मालट
see it is as uncertain could be जेति हिच जे न्यू टू इंस्ट्रक्शन दे मे फाइंड समथिंग आपण करेक्शन कले एप्लीकेशन दे अमेंड कर देबे
ना घरटा हेइने कि घरटा
कोन लेक्चर मु बुझी परलेनी
ना घर प्लॉट
आपण तो निजे की बुझाई परना तो छाडन जेति ହେଲା ହେଲା
ना घर वाटर रॉन्ग इंप्रेशन है जो माइलट कहबे जे घर कहि दैथिलो काई
आपण 5 आपण देखंतु एटा अछि आपण घर केते थर कहिले घर रे जाबा नै घर जीव को रास्ता नै मो घर आगे करछन दिले आपण घर चले सेटा नाउ एडवांटेज ले आपण देखि परिबे आपण केते थर कहछन
Item 33
Mr. S.R. Ponda for the petitioner, Mr. R.C. Mahanti for the, I'm sorry, Prem Kumar Mahanti for the opposite party, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks adjournment. Stop. Accordingly, the matter is adjourned. Stop. Para, the petitioner shall have liberty to move the assigned bench for listing of the matter. 34, Mr. Padi, Mr. Manoranjan Padi for the petitioner, Mr. Prem Kumar Mahanti for the state. Yes.
May I please, my lord? Lord, here, my lord, petitioner challenged the annexer 5, the cancellation of her caste certificate, my lord. Whatever, my lord, a case.
Yes, a single bench matter, though.
Yes, my lord.
The petitioner is before this court challenging the order passed by the opposite party number 2, Revenue Divisional Commissioner, Southern Division, Berhampur, come Chairman State Level Scrutiny Committee. Order जो लिख लेनी order dated?
Order dated 22/9/2025.
22 sir communication order टा केबे? और order बोधे भी annex करी ना?
21/8/25 my lord.
21/8/25 कोड सेटा काई annexer काई और डेट भूल भाल देखो छी
That is annexer 5 my lord.
Annexer ta 22 note hauchi communication. Both of you should prepare the brief.
No, no, my lord. All are prepared, my lord.
Mr. Prem Kumar and Mr. Padi. Where is 21 order?
Just one.
And you also train your learned juniors. You should leave it to them. Kindly look at your read petition top page.
My lord.
Annexer 5 ta dekhuntu, index ta dekhuntu.
Annexer 5 ta.
Index. Read pro index ta dekhuntu. कौन लिखिले आंसर 5 फोटोकॉपी ऑफ द इम्प्रूव्ड ऑर्डर डेटेड 21/25
Yes, my lord.
ହେଲା ଆପଣ କଭରିଂ ଲେଟର ଟା ଦେଲେ ତାପରେ 21/25 ଅର୍ଡର ଟା ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଧେ
21/25. My lord, what happened, my lord? Just have a glass, the page 20, my lord.
ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପେଜ ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ପେଜ 23
Page 20 ରେ ଅଛି ସେଟା
23 ଦେଖିବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
23 ରେ ସରୁଛି ଯୋଉଠି ଦେଖିବେ ନା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
8/9/25
my lord, here, my lord, just I am clarifying.
ପିରିୟଡ ଆଉ କଣ କରିବ କିଛି ହେଇପାରିବ କଣ ଲେଖିଲ in FCC case number 12 of 2024 जो ऑर्डर डेट लिखिए 21/25 ना ऑर्डर देखिए into bracket communicated by letter dated 22/9/25 stop by the said order the caste certificate caste certificate kind
Caste certificate, that is annexer 2, my lord.
caste certificate issued to the petitioner dated 5/1/2017 stating that the petitioner belongs to quote Kandha Gowda unquote tribe which is recognized as a scheduled tribe under the constitution into bracket scheduled caste / scheduled tribe order 1950 in Odisha has been cancelled. Issue notice along with this order. Registry shall obtain authenticated copy of the entire lower court records from the OP number 2 authority for the learned AC upon advance copies of appears and waves notice appears on behalf of opposite parties 1 TO2 7 and waves notice. How much time?
4 weeks.
The AC is 6 and has 4 weeks time to file counter in response to the petition. The matter shall be listed for admission after 4 weeks. Scanned copy of the records of the authority, OP number 2, shall be kept ready for reference. Yes.
There is IA, my lord.
IA for what?
Stay the operation of the
When
annexer.
the read petition is allowed. Then,
For the
unless the
time.
read petition is allowed, how a order can be stayed? You should not have filed actually. There is a possibility some court will reject the IE. You should have a legal strategy. Because after the adjudication by the authority, it has been granted. How can it be stayed now? Yes, next.
35.
So SB Mohanty, Subhranshu Vishwan Mohanty for the petitioner, Mr. Prem Kumar Mohanty for the state. Petitioners plural. Yes.
Madam. Well, the petitioners are praying for a revision of the project list under the Chief Minister Special Assistance Scheme, Annex 1, the scheme. Earlier,
who is the authority, sir? Who is the authority to pass order?
OP1.
Co-provision.
Sir, ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ order କରିଥିଲୁ ଏଇଥିରେ ସେ impugned order ଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି page 63 ରେ my lord.
ଆପଣ ଟିକେ kindly sir, be attentive to to me, sir. We are discussing something in your favor,
sir.
Who is the authority you are saying? OP number 1.
OP number 1 has taken the decision. Annexure
ଆପଣ challenge କରୁଛନ୍ତି OP1 କ decision.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ହଁ ଆମକୁ
ସେ ଯୋଉ decision ଟା ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା କୋଉ provision କୋଉ circular କୋଉଥିରେ ସେଟା ପଚାର.
Yes. Annexure 1 page 21 5.2.21 ଆମକୁ କନସଲଟେସନ କରାହେଇନି ଯେ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଆମେ PRI ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ରାଜ ମେମ୍ବର୍ସ
ସେମିତି କୁହନ୍ତୁନି abstract, don't speak in abstract.
Yes, ma'am. ହଁ
କୋଉ decision ଟା ଆପଣ
page 21 ମାଇଲ annexure 1 guidelines page 21
କି authority କୋଉଠି define ହେଲେ
ମାଇଲ
authority କୋଉଠି define ହେଲେ decision ନେବେ?
Yes, ହଁ
କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ page ରେ କୋଉ paragraph?
Yes, ହଁ page 63 paragraph number 4. It is noted that as per department guidelines dated 1/22
ପୁରାଟା ପଢନ୍ତୁ
sir project
62 ରୁ ପଢନ୍ତୁ.
Yes, sir 62 whereas Lilima Behr and others filed WPC requesting to review, reshuffle and include the left out required projects for the Simula block of Baleswar district on the 5th State Finance Commission GIA and to revise the approved list dated 1/3/25 issued by the Panchayat Raj Drinking Water Department. And whereas the Hon'Ble High Court by this order dated 22/4/2025.
Just look at the fourth paragraph.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, my lord. And whereas considering the urgency of the matter,
you have started reading fifth paragraph after counting 4. You have started reading fourth. You read 4.
Sir, it is stated that no such representation has been received by this office from the petitioner so far.
So this is the reason I have been asking that why you have made the representation. Anyway, later the order reached.
Sir.
And whereas considering the urgency of the matter?
Considering the urgency of the matter, a hearing on the matter was conducted on 24/7/2025 through virtual mode under the chairmanship of the Commissioner cum Secretary PRWD Department, and all the concerned were present. The petitioners and the concerned authorities presented their submissions. A copy of the attendance during hearing is annexed to Annexure 1. And whereas the Chief Development Officer cum Executive Officer Jilla Parishad Baleswar was requested to submit a report as to whether the applicable guidelines were followed during selection of the projects under the head of improvement of road infrastructure out of MVTEX format G and all weather connectivity format H by this department letter number 24/7/2025, copy of which annexure B. And whereas the Chief Development Officer cum EO Jilla Parishad Baleswar submitted a report regarding the projects under 5th SFC grantee net scheme for Simula block by letter number 28/25, copy of which is annexed summarized as follows. Project under improvement of road infrastructure format G and all weather connectivity format H were proposed after due consultation with the Panchayat Raj institution members and local representative in adherence to the guidelines. At 58 projects, 33 under format G and 25 under format H were forwarded for approval. Out of the approved project, 26 have been completed, 2 are under progress and 30 are yet to be started. No payments have been made so far for any project under these two categories. And whereas it is further observed that the petitioners have prayed for a review, modification, reshuffling of the project across various heads categories of the fifth SFC granted, while the report of this CDO EO Jilla Parishad Baleshwar specifically covers project under improvement of road infrastructure out of MBTEX format G and all weather connectivity format H. The projects under other heads categories have been duly reviewed and are found to have been undertaken in accordance with the applicable guidelines. And whereas it is also noted that as per the department guidelines dated 1/22, projects must be proposed after due consultation with Panchayat Raj institutions members at the appropriate level and with local representatives. The report submitted by the Chief Development Officer, Executive Officer, Jilla Parishad Baleshwar, corroborated by documentary evidence produced, confirmed that the projects under consideration were proposed following the said consultative process. No material evidence to the contrary has been furnished by the petitioners during the hearing. Now, therefore, upon careful consideration of the submissions made during the hearing and perusal of the available records, it is established that the selection and approval of projects under heads of the fifth SFC granted scheme, including those under improvement of road infrastructure out of MBTEX format G and all weather connectivity format H, have been undertaken in accordance with the guidelines and procedures prescribed.
Mr. Mohanty,
My lord.
you move the regular bench. The court cannot disturb the other projects.
Yes, my lord. project
So you missed the bus.
My lord.
But REIT court cannot extend the time. When the projects were considered by the authority, these are very specific projects.
Important project
cannot be added.
We are not consulted.
Mohanty, you have to listen to follow me.
My lord.
Suppose there is a sanction of 100 crores. 100 crores has been already sanctioned. It cannot be made 150 crores or 120 crores. So it cannot be. No case.
My lord, regular base court.
Yes. You take your chance. Because you see, this REIT petition has now become a project. Something will happen. Nothing will happen. Because those 100 crores cannot be given to you because already those 100 crores have been given. 100 is, I am giving an example. I don't know, 100 or 5, I don't know. So that cannot be, that money cannot be reduced or added. You have no case. The petitioner seeks adjournment. After arguing for some time, the petitioner seeks adjournment. So accordingly, the matter is adjourned. The petitioner shall have liberty to move the assigned bench for listing of the matter.
36.
Mr. Nilakanta Panda for the petitioner, Mr. Prem Kumar Mohanty, AC for the state, and counsel for the petitioner, seeks adjournment. Stuff. Accordingly, the matter stands adjourned with liberty to move the assigned bench for listing of the matter.
37.
Same as 36.
No, please, Your Lordship.
38.
37, man.
37 adjourned. Mr. Das, 38.
Take instruction.
Mr. Bhavani Shankar Tripathi, senior advocate, instructed by along with Mr. A. Sahoo for the petitioner, Mr. P.K. Mohanty AC for the opposite party. Say जो opposite party ठीक अछंती तो. The petitioner alleges non-compliance of the order dated so and so, passed in so and so. The learned counsel, the learned AC upon advance copy served appears and seeks time to obtain instructions regarding compliance. How much time, Mr. Mohanty?
4 weeks.
The learned AC 6 and has 4 weeks time to obtain instruction. The matter is adjourned accordingly. The petitioner shall have liberty to move the assigned bench for listing of the matter.
39.
Yes. 39, Mr. Behra is not there. Mr. A. Sahoo on behalf of B.K. Behra.
Vijay Kumar Behra. And for the Vijay.
You are not B.K. Behra?
Myself, Vijay Kumar Behra.
I'm so sorry. I got confused with Abid Sahoo and the similarity of face or something. Mr. B.K. Behra for the petitioner. Opposite party ठीक अछंती तो?
Yes, sir.
The same order as 38.
It is assignment means lordship before your lordship. The lordship dispose of the.
No, see, कौन होची actually at times the listing time नहीं पड़नी बोले that is difficult.
Yes,
and I am only having a very few days of assignment, so that, yes, sir. So you file your memo for this. Okay.
Item 40.
So Panda, the two content matters are there. Ms. Mahanti has taken time to obtain instruction. 40? 40 ଟା ଆସିଲା କି ସେଇଟା?
Yes, yes, madam.
ଭଲ ସେ ଭଲ ଅଛନ୍ତି?
Received by a memo
Yes.
dated 10/10/2025.
ରେକର୍ଡରେ ଅଛି ନା ଆପଣ ଦେବେ ଏବେ? ଆଚ୍ଛା ଫ୍ଲାଗ କ୍ଲିୟର ଅଛି।
Records,
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା।
already filed on 10/10/2025.
The disposed of application has been listed in terms of the order passed by this bench. Okay, 9/10/2023. No, not 9/10. 9/10. No. Nine 11/2023. And the orders passed thereafter. At the outset, the lauded AC 6 this apology on behalf of the opposite parties for delay in compliance of the order. He submits that by memo dated 10/10/2025. The instructions received from the SDPO Nilagiri Baleswar by DR number 794 dated 27/2025 has been filed before this court. The relevant portion of the said report from the SDPO is reproduced herein. The flag K re achi, flag K. The paragraph
3, 4.
para 1 to 6 kar debe. In view of the compliance of the order passed by this court, nothing further survives to be taken up in the matter. Yeah. Yes. Passover କିଛି ରହିଲା? Thank you.